Hi, thanks for joining me in another video. After being in production for 3 years, the Tesla Model Y is finally getting its own diecast. It's pretty surprising that Tesla didn't release this sooner with how popular the Model Y is. Plus, they have cars like the Roadster, which isn't for sale yet, and the Semi, which isn't even a model of the final production version. But I'm glad they finally decided to release it. What we'll be unboxing today is a 1/18 scale and deep blue metallic, just like the full-size car Blueberry that we sometimes spotlight in our videos. Alright, let's open this up. Let's take it out of the plastic. Alright. So windy outside. Uh-oh. And little tissue paper. All right, so let me pull this out. Let me put the rest of the stuff in the box so it doesn't fly away. So pretty, so shiny and clean. All right, here is our Model Y. I have to take off the little stickers on it that's keeping the doors closed. But here it is. Let's check it out more in detail. So it came with a little suction cup on a stick to help you open the doors. These ones didn't come with a door opening tool. The Model X did, but it was kind of like a pick. So it's nice that this one's a little suction cup. The price for this model comes in at $195, so it's slightly more expensive than the other ones they have for sale right now. This is more of a collectible than a toy, but there's no harm in enjoying it. This is pretty cool. It looks like just all of the other models in terms of quality. It's the same scale too, with the exception of the Semi, which is a 1/24th scale. To give a sense of size, this model is a bit longer than 10 inches in length. There's no badging on the back of the car, but it does have the 21-inch Uber turbine wheels which come with the Performance. So I think we're looking at a debadged Performance model. One thing I'm noticing that looks different than the actual car is that it looks like there are 2 tow loops on the front of the car. The real Model Y only has 1. It doesn't look like there are ultrasonic sensors either, because there'd be more of them and they'd be much smaller. Actually, does the Model 3 have those 2 circles? No, it doesn't. It has that one there and then all of the other ultrasonic sensors here. Not sure why the second circle is here. But I guess we can deduce that this is a newer model since it doesn't have the sensors installed. Just like the other diecast, all of the doors open up. So let's open them up with our little tool. Let's open up the trunk and see what's back there. And there's also a carbon fiber spoiler back here. That's easy enough to open. So it doesn't look like there's a sub-trunk in here, but it is nice and carpeted, just like the real one. All right, let's flip it around and look at the front. So now I'll use my tool. I like how they have all the intricate details like the clear plastic roof and the autopilot cameras behind the windshield. You can also see the cameras here, but I don't see a tiny camera on the B-pillar or on the trunk. All right, let's open up all the doors and see what we have inside. Open up all these doors. It seems like the interior was built off of the design of the original 2020 Model Y. It's got the old style center console. So that's interesting. The exterior is designed off the newer vehicle since it's lacking the sensors and the interior is older. I guess this won't be a perfect match to anybody's car. I don't think those 2 features ever had an overlap. Okay, so the screen in the center, I'm pretty sure it says Austin, so we have an Austin, Texas map in there. And it's got the black seats and the wood dash. Also, it has a 5-seat layout instead of the 7-seater. There's the door label on the B-pillar here and the Model Y lettering on the scuff plates. And if you hopefully when we zoom in, it won't be blurry. But then in the back, there's also the little USB ports. It's just a little indentation in there. The front tires also move when you turn the steering wheel. Oh, it's a little hard to do, but there they go. You know what would make this perfect? A miniature Calla. And I have one. So let's close this up. Let's see if she actually fits in the back. Oh, yes. I wish the windows opened. That would be cute. All right, well, she's in the back, looking out the window as she usually does. These die-cast models are always so cool, and I enjoy collecting miniature versions of all EVs. Now I can say that my sexy lineup is complete. So just move these over here. There we go. I guess now we're just waiting on a model of the original Roadster and the Cybertruck. Thanks for spending time with me today. If you have a real EV I can review, email me at info@kaizv.com. Support our channel and check out our sticker shop. Follow me on social media and check out our website at kaizv.com. That's all for now, and happy charging.